Okay, let's get started. Our first lesson that we are doing today is called Scratch Surprise. We want to see if you can have your Scratch do something exciting. So, our sprite that we have selected is the cat. Now, one thing that I want you to know is when you have multiple sprites, when you get to the more advanced lessons, you may have more than one sprite. So please make sure that your sprite is selected in this window here. Again, since we are only using one sprite, it is selected by default, but later with multiple sprites, we will need to make sure we have the right one selected. Okay, so remember that we said we control our sprite through the scripts here. So let's first take the move script and move our cat, move it over into this window so that we can move our cat forward 10 steps. Then let's go to sound because kitty cats make sounds. So let's go ahead and take the play sound and move that over too. So here we are saying move 10 steps, play the sound, meow. When do we want it to do that? So let's go to events and we tell it that when we click on the green flag, we want it to move 10 steps and then play a sound. The green flag is here. So now let's test it to see if it's going to do anything. We do that by clicking on the green flag. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, what if we want our cat to move more than 10 steps? We can change the variable here by changing it from 10 to, let's say, 50. We want our cat to move 50 steps. So we change it there and then we go back to the green flag, click it, and let's see what happens. Wow, pretty good. You have just completed the first lesson. So, at this time, go ahead and be creative. See what else you can have your cat do. Have fun. And remember, you will look at your peers' sprites and scratches to see what they were able to create. Have fun.